Majida, Namakrotman, welcome to Football SA Daily Top News vandaag, 26 January, Monday. Kule video, top news are going to include Brendan Peterson, Kaizer Chiefs goalkeeper, Orlando Pirates legend, Lucky Lekhwadi, uthetha nge-title race, Orlando Pirates, uthi this season, position egrand, maybe between Premiership champions. I'm also going to talk about coach Kaizer Chiefs, co-coach Ben Khalil Youssef, who reacted to criticism by Kaizer Chiefs, dry football, like the performances, which rightly so they have left a lot to be desired. Performances at Kaizer Chiefs, football, you get results and you also get performances. Coach Ben Khalil Youssef, you are nikeza answer and comment way, and he loaded the comment yag. Also in this video, there's news on Tebogo Mokoena, Sundowns captain. So the top story in Brendan Peterson, Kaizer Chiefs. Ubiza signing a new contract with Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs activity option ibinayo. Ngoku Ubiza was about Kaizer Chiefs until 2027. What joined from Bidvest Vets was Ubiza, I think in 2022. And the contract yake any option. Chiefs is announced very soon, according to like a top reliable source. About football say like very allergic. Anti-doubtful or fake news. Apparently channel, we don't tolerate fake news. Only most reliable trusted sources. And this is SA's leading journalist, Mazola Molefe, reporting by Kaizer Chiefs goalkeeper 31, Brendan Peterson, signing a new contract until 2027. Well deserved, I think. Most people, when I figure Brendan Peterson, Kaizer Chiefs, what Kriton Abanabaninzi, but then watchinja ingqondo zabantu abaninzi Brendan Peterson. Why unlucky in some games, but the Kaizer Chiefs is a high pressure club and high performances week in, week out. So yeah, Brendan Peterson, leading goalkeeper, even abantu abaninzi bebefeel was very unlucky, but mangabikho ke AFCON squad, he deserved it, but yeah, Hugo Bros is Hugo Bros. Peterson, I think leader a clean sheet so far this season. Top goalkeeper, loads of experience. What I say, teenager like Ajax Cape Town, Wayagi Bidvest Vets, Simona Kaizer Chiefs manje. Are there any further details up? Are there data worth sharing? Okay, not that much. But yeah, Peterson's gonna be at Kaizer Chiefs for 2 more years, or 1 more year actually. 26 and we're 27. Wow. Yeah, until June 2027. That is not a very long-term contract. So yeah, Kaizer Chiefs ke roster yayo ngoku kuseko Peterson ubekho no Bruce Bvuma besine contract I think last year, bekho no Fiacre Ntwari, contract yakhe phela ngo-27 Ntwari. So Kaizer Chiefs meanwhile they also clearly grooming the next goalkeeper uMazamba biko abaki squad futhi, I think traveling squad last weekend to CAF Confederation Cup against Ilawizes Zambia. So clearly Kaizer Chiefs are grooming and they have an eye on uMazamba as a future goalkeeper Kaizer Chiefs. Next story, big story. Orlando Pirates legend Lucky Lekhwadi, Phinda Mzala, has expressed confidence in Orlando Pirates' ability to win the league again this season. Lucky Lekhwadi, Orlando Pirates, especially after the draw young weekend against Sekhukhune United, the Pirates this season, they are primed to be the champions. They've come so close in the past few seasons, but finishing like 3 seasons in a row. This time Orlando Pirates is izifundo zayo, experience, and ayizuzenza past mistakes before, and in a way ndiyavumelana nami. Again, ayibona Pirates khona games about 1-0 wins, and they were very close to another 1-0 win against Sekhukhune United. Uthi ulawelakhe Orlando Pirates point ngoku games that to win a title, there's only games that you should lose and then draw, and then games that you should draw and then win. Orlando Pirates, I think low level ngoku uthi much does from the lessons out, they know how to grind the results without performing well on a particular day or particular night. And I think also what it means is that Orlando Pirates didn't perform grand against Sekhukhune United first game after like a long break, but they got a point, which is a point a result, and bebedlala away ePolokwane. So yeah, utsho uphinda mzala. Next story up, Kaizer Chiefs coach Ben Khalil Youssef explained about what has changed after the AFCON break. Youssef insists that the technical team have told the players about the importance of grinding results instead of traditional beautiful football. Kaizer Chiefs ithole criticism iyachithwa ngalona Kaizer Chiefs bayama Kaizer Chiefs i-performances ayo azikho grand. Okay, in football you get results and you get performances. Kaizer Chiefs have not been delivering performances, but bazithole results. And coach Ben Khalil uthi ayibalulekanga lo way right now. We make a lot of meeting with the players utsho, and we discuss about the importance of winning. Wacho Youssef. Now we only think to win the games more than the good football and to enjoy football. I think from the first way we played a lot of nice game, but unfortunately we were unlucky not to score. We finished with a draw. Now for us, the most important thing than winning the game, the most important is 3 points, and then if it comes with good football, we're happy. If not, also we are happy, because the only thing that will keep us in the rank or qualify is 3 points. Akho niba mandi-interprete lawe bafethu, umuntu yazi ibhola yazi ba uminisha ntoni uthini uBen Khalil Youssef. But nina bafethu ngicanga lo ngalo way, what are your thoughts? uBen Khalil Youssef futhi okay, results is quite important. I mean, performances, beautiful football is not important. What is important is the result, 3 points. Zini thoughts in bafethu msingolo comments bafethu ba ngicanga lo ngalo way. And then the last top story for vandag, Sundowns captain Evergreen Tebogo Mokoena was suspended for a match at Tuesday at Sundowns. Another opportunity, I think, is open for Batus Opas. At the same time, there's a new player Pakiki Sundowns for the number 6 position. Very interesting. Ulanduza Spelele Mkolise as the number 6, the first game is Sundowns after the break. Bebegale league against Bawine 2-0 game, right? Who did Sundowns play? I think it was Orbit College. Begalepa is the number 6 Mkhulise. So very interesting. He's not the first player, so he number 10 position, like number 8 position, like 6. Yes, I want Kaizer Chiefs. Who Mabo Sambon back. Regala is a 6 for Kaizer Chiefs. Most players, the most talented, Ziagwas Regala Zongas roles. Regala 6, Regala 8, Regala 10. So yeah, Mkhulise might get another opportunity against the Sekhukhune United, the Polokwane Tuesday. Mokoena suspended. I think coach Cardoso again uzophinde amnike uLanduza amkhulise kula number 6 role ngoba udisabile wadlala position the day bawina 2-0 against the Orbit College. So based on that, like it's a no-brainer about athole an opportunity. He earned it. He led the team. Wadlala proposition team of vital 3 points. So yabafethu ufuna ubukela Sundowns Tuesday, expect to see uLanduza usiphelele Mkhulise number 6 role. Nazi bafethu ezafandaga top stories. Zithini thoughts zeni bafethu ngicanga ntoni, masingxole comments bafethu. Cela ngale bal support channel, share like okanye share subscribe. Ngicanga ntoni ngo Lucky Lekhwati uthi Orlando Pirates izifundele lessons ayo imatured ngoku izoyibamba ileague. Ngicanga ntoni ngo Brandon Peterson, new contract Kaizer Chiefs but only 1 year extension. What are your thoughts on Kaizer Chiefs coach Ben Khalil Youssef uthi bakuse kubaluleke results more than good football? And lastly, thoughts on Mkhulise as the new number 6 Sundowns. That's ngale support channel bafethu. Mocho.